Hi, I'm Hans, this is Stacey, and here is our review of Paw Protect pet insurance. Now, with most pet insurance companies, you have to pay the covered vet bill upfront out of your own pocket when you're at the vet. Typically, you then file a claim with your insurer and wait days or even weeks to get reimbursed, less your out-of-pocket expenses. The problem with this? Well, according to a 2025 Go Banking Rate survey, half of Americans have less than $500 in savings. For years, I've seen literally thousands of comments on social media from pet parents saying they'd really love to get their pets insured, but they simply wouldn't be able to afford to pay the whole vet bill up front out of their own pocket and then wait what is sometimes weeks to get the money back. But Paw Protect has solved this problem. Now, if you have a pet insurance policy with Paw Protect and you get a covered vet bill of over $500, Paw Protect can send you the money to pay it immediately while you're still at the vet using Instant Pay. Let me explain how it works in a bit more detail. So let's say you're a Paw Protect customer, you're at the vet and you've just got your bill. You call Paw Protect right away before you pay the vet bill. You send them a copy of the final invoice, they review it while you're on the phone, and then they send their part of the covered claim immediately to your bank account using Instant Pay. You can then pay the vet bill, including your out-of-pocket expenses. It really is that simple. Instant Pay is included with every Paw Protect policy and it doesn't involve any credit checks. Now, one thing you might be wondering is, does my bank accept Instant Pay? Well, the answer is that all the major banks in the US accept Instant Pay. They include Bank of America, Chase, Citibank, and Wells Fargo, as well as Goldman Sachs, Truist, US Bank, TD Bank, Capital One, State Street, Fifth Third Bank, Charles Schwab, BNY, Citizens Bank, KeyBank, and HSBC. In fact, over 850 banks in America accept Instant Pay. If you want to check if your bank does, there's a handy little bank checker on pawprotect.com that will tell you if they do. If your bank doesn't accept Instant Pay, you don't need to worry. If you call Paw Protect and your claim is processed before 1 p.m. Pacific time, Paw Protect can still send you your payment that day. If it's after 1 p.m. Pacific time, it'll be the next day. Either way, even if your bank doesn't accept Instant Pay, this is still way quicker than the days or weeks you'll have to wait with most other insurers. In terms of Paw Protect's pet insurance plans, they offer 3 levels of annual coverage: $5,000, $10,000 and unlimited. There are several deductible options starting at $100 and reimbursement levels are 70, 80 or 90%, which means copay options of 10, 20 or 30%. Paw Protect offers some nice other additions too. Policies include access to 24/7 pet telehealth, meaning you have round-the-clock access to professionals in case you need urgent advice for your pet. And they also cover complementary treatments and rehabilitation like acupuncture and laser therapy, which can be amazing for pets with conditions like arthritis. Paw Protect also covers dental accidents as well as dental illnesses up to $1,000 per policy year. All in all, I think Paw Protect offers